Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy from Alibaba as an individual or buy for personal use. Now, I've tried to use Alibaba in the past and I thought, okay, it was only for buying large quantities, but I started to buy only a single item and I get it very quickly from Alibaba. I was like, okay, this is a good thing because Alibaba offers free, like very cheap prices compared to other e-commerce websites like AliExpress. That's why I've been using Alibaba since then. So what you need to do to buy from Alibaba is you want to create an account. Just create an account normally on Alibaba, and then after that, you want to search for the product that you want to purchase on here. Now I'm going to search here for AirPods. Okay, so after you search for AirPods, here is what you need to do in order for you to buy a single item or two items or three items. You don't have to buy 1,000 items on Alibaba. So you just need to search for what you want to purchase. And after that, you want to scroll down, and here you will be able to see here minimum order. You want to select one, and here if you want these products from Germany or India, you can select that, but I want China, so I'm going to select China. And like I said, the minimum order, it should be one. Then click OK. So here I am going to find here someone with good products and good price. For example, this one, but this one does not ship, does not sell for personal use because it has only two options with chat now, send. But you don't want that. I'm going to check this one. The same thing. I'm going to go with this one. Same thing. I'm going to check this one. This one, yes, can be purchased for personal use because it says here start order. That means you can buy it right now and then it will get delivered to you. Click on start now and then you can select the variations you want. I'm going to select here, for example, one quantity, and I click start order, and then here you want to enter your street address just like you do with other e-commerce websites. Very simple. Now you want to add everything here, and then you can select the payment method you want to use, including PayPal. You can also pay using PayPal, and then this will get delivered to you. By the way, tracking number, usually it's available within 2 days. The same thing with AliExpress and Alibaba. Alibaba owns AliExpress, so they are the same, but Alibaba focuses more on selling large quantities to big companies, but you can also use it for personal use. Now, like I said, that's how you can find the product. Also, this product is eligible for personal use. You can just click on start order, and then you can buy like as many products as you want. 2, 1, you can choose. So that's exactly how you can buy for personal use on Alibaba. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.